Today I'm going to be making a Frito Chili Pie, and I hope that you enjoy watching this video. Do what you love and love what you do. Hi everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm doing another easy recipe tonight for our dinner. Calvin's friend told him about this recipe, and so Calvin wanted me to make it for him, and so these are the ingredients. So let me get started. It's corn chips, and I'm going to be using 2 cups of Monterey Jack cheese and a can of chili. So it's fast and easy with 3 ingredients. I'm going to lay my Fritos down here. And by the way, if any of y'all have a recipe that you want me to try, put it in the description below, and we'll give it a try. Okay, so now I'm going to put down the cheese. I'm going to put about a cup down. Now I'm going to put about a half a cup of this, or a half a can. Some more Fritos. And put down the rest of its cheese. This is, like I said, this is a fast and easy, and it's a budget-friendly recipe. We're also going to be having a baked potato to go along with this tonight. And we're having leftover dessert, which is cherry pound cake. If you have a bigger family, you could definitely make this larger. But there's just 2 people in our family. So this right here will be the perfect amount for us. Kevin, what did you say bake this on?
A little more cheese on top next. And bake it 350 for 20 to 30 minutes. We'll just have to let everybody know how long it takes to cook.
Okay.
And this is a Frito Chili Pie.
Yeah.
You made it look real pretty.
I bet when it comes out too, you could put salsa on it probably.
You could, or green onions, several
Yeah.
different things you could put on it.
Okay. Here it is. So, be back in 20 minutes. Okay, my Frito Chili Pie just came out of the oven, and it cooked for 20 minutes at 350 degrees. So let me plate this up and I'll be back. Okay, I cooked us a baked potato to go with this. So let's scoop us out some of this. Oh, look at that cheese.
Oh, that looks good, don't it, Marie?
It does.
I like that.
Okay.
That baked potato looks good too.
Yeah. You can put chili on that too. Or broccoli, whichever one you want. Look at that cheese. Woo.
Yes, that looks good. It may be too hot to sample it, but I want you to sample it and let us know how you like it and if there's anything that you would change about it.
Well, I would like to wave a magic wand over it and it'd be calorie free. Other than that, that's the only thing I would change, I think. So this is what we're having tonight: baked potato, Frito chili cheese pie, and leftover Mother's Day cherry pound cake. My Frito chili pie recipe turned out really good today. Calvin's friend suggested this, and Calvin, he really liked it too. And I told Calvin the only thing that I would change about this recipe would be that I would use less Fritos. And I asked Calvin what did he rate this recipe, and he said that he'd give it an 8. And I said, I agree with you, that's what I give it. I give it an 8 also. And it was really good, and we'll be trying this again.
It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free.
Love what you do and do what you love, and y'all have a great evening. Bye.
Take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell